Hey ho, my friends. It is time for pick and choose. And of course, I didn't have the camera turned on when I started. So you missed out on the very first part, but I'll walk you through it. The first prompt from Cindy, my friend Cindy Utter, who does the pick and choose, so go check out her channel, um, was to glue words or write words. What she does is she has two prompts and you pick one or the other. So you can pick to glue words or you can pick to write words. And what I did is I chose to use some stickers and glue them down. So I've done that. And then the second prompt is to add freeform shapes or geometric shapes. So I just drew some circles with a pen because those are freeform and it's a shape, it's a circle. And then it says paint with a gift card or paint with a piece of cardboard. So I chose to use the gift card. I have them in my studio and I use them all the time. So yeah, that's what I did. Then the next thing says draw with your non-dominant hand or close your eyes and draw. Well, I use my non-dominant hand. And so yeah, I've got this messy stuff on my page. And now I'm up to the fifth prompt, which says use pencil through a stencil or use a pen through the stencil. So I'm using an acrylic paint pen through this stencil from Stencil Girl Products. Yeah, I know. I'm on the fifth prompt and you didn't see any of the background stuff. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know. This whole videotaping thing has just gone awry for me lately. So, yeah, doing that. And then the very last prompt is to use gesso, black or white. So you'd pick either black or white and you use that. So you'll see what I end up doing on this page. The main thing is to just have fun and create. I'm working in my uh, calendar journal that I picked up on sale at Tuesday morning. It's, I think, a 9 by 12 maybe. And so it's a good size page. And I've got a lot of paint and stuff down here. So let's just see how I finish this out, shall we?